You are the owner of your own business. You know that you need to advertise, but you also know that most of the time it's not effective. When you put out flyers, most people throw them away, and when you advertise over radio, TV or even in the newspapers, it's very expensive. Studies have shown for an ad to be effective, you must publish it at least 7 times, and you know that your business just doesn't have that advertising budget. Another thing you've seen countless of times is that your ads just doesn't get in front of the customers that need your product. Most of the time, 90% of the people who see your ad have absolutely no interest in what you are selling. This means that most of the time 90% of your advertising budget is a total waste. But what if there is a way that you can laser target your customers, gather the information in a database, and sell them 24 hours a day with the click of a button at less than $1 a day? Well, we present to you Money Saving Media, the first of its kind. First of all, the name says it all. We want to save you money on your advertising. I mean, let's face it, a company can have the best products in the world, but if they're not affordable, it doesn't help you much, does it? So we decided to rather sell more of our products at great prices than try and get rich with unreasonably high prices like some companies do. In a moment we're going to tell you everything you get from us, but first we want to set your mind at ease about the price of the product. I know, I hated to watch a presentation to the end just to find out how much it's going to cost me, and that's why I'm going to tell you just now. $25 per month, that's all. That's less than $1 a day. Now, let me tell you what you will get and why you should get it. You are going to get a fully functional digital advertising platform that you have total control over. This means you can use the product unlimited times every single day. So what exactly can you do with this platform? The main function of this platform is to get in contact with your customers, get their names into your database, build your brand, and effectively communicate your offers to your customers. Let me demonstrate by using an example. Joe is the owner of Joe's Motor Dealership. He sells new and used cars. You can find anything from a sporty 2-seater fire-breathing sports car to a sensible family car that a wife uses to transport all the kids to school. Now the problem with conventional advertising is that Joe doesn't really know what to advertise, because if the person looking at an ad is a young guy, he definitely doesn't want a family car. And the wife with 6 kids to transport definitely would have no use for a sporty 2-seater. So how can Joe solve that problem? This is how. First, we help Joe set up a page for his business on Facebook. Then we show Joe how to get people to like that page. The reason for this is that only people who are interested in buying another car would like that page. That is our first step in targeting Joe's potential customers. Now we show Joe how he can advertise every single car he owns with picture and everything on that page at no extra cost. This alone more than covers the cost of our product, but this is only the beginning. Now we show Joe how to create a webpage for each car. When a person sees a car that they like on his Facebook page, they click on a link that takes them to the information webpage of that car. This is where the really smart stuff starts happening. On each of these web pages is a place where a person can put in his email details for more information. Because Joe is a smart guy, he tells people on that web page that they only need to put in an email address to get all the information about the car delivered to them. Like for instance, the price of the car and the history of the car. People who are really interested will put in their details, and immediately after that they will get an automated email that gives them all the info they need. This automated message is another tool that is part of Joe's advertising platform. He can create unlimited automated messages. So Joe's automated system is doing the selling for him 24 hours a day at no extra cost. But Joe now has a very valuable asset, and that is his database of people who are interested. He can now send out emails from his digital platform to all of the people to tell them about special offers, or if he wants to sell that 2-seater sports car, he can send only to people who are interested in sports cars. This function is incredibly powerful because Joe's clients love it that he serves them stuff that they're interested in. The email sending tool is also built into the platform at no extra cost, and Joe can send as many emails as he wants. But this is not all. Joe knows that people don't buy cars every day, but he knows that if he can stay in his potential customers' minds, they will buy from him someday. So Joe goes into his advertising platform and creates a series of valuable articles and tips for car owners. He put this into his automated content tool, and now these articles and tips will automatically be posted to his Facebook page. Joe's customers now see that he really cares about them by providing all of this value to them free of charge. Who do you think will they buy from when they want a car? But of course, from Joe. Who wouldn't? But Joe goes even one step further, and he sets up a series of automated emails telling people what they should watch out for when buying a new car. Now, everyone in his database gets these free tips on what to do when buying a new car. In the mind of the potential customer, Joe is the nicest, most trusted salesman in the world. And all of the things that happened above happen automatically after Joe has set it up. Joe goes on with his normal daily tasks of servicing the people who are contacting him as a result of his advertising. Did I forget to mention all of this is still only $25 per month? The biggest fear Joe had before he started using this advertising platform was the technical stuff. He knew the price was fantastic, but he was worried because he definitely didn't have the time to learn how to become a computer whiz. His fear disappeared immediately when we told him that we will help him set up everything for him and then show him how to quickly generate those ads. Just for his peace of mind, we also made available tutorial videos in his advertising platform so that he can watch them again if he forgot something. Now, Joe spends an hour or two a month and create all the ads he needs and forget about them because he knows his advertising platform is working 24/7 in the background for him. It doesn't matter what type of business you own. Whether it's real estate, hospitality, retail, the list just goes on and on. Money Saving Media provides advertising tools that sells at less than $1 a day, and you can benefit from it now.